Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove a person from a video for free. So here I have this video and I want to remove this person in the video, the one on the right, the one in the white shirt. So if you want to do the same, first you just need to take a screenshot of the video. So for example, I'm going to just take a screenshot like this, and now you can just crop the screenshot and use this app to remove the object first. So I'm using the snap edit in here. Okay, you can now just click on this remove object options at the bottom, and then choose the screenshot that you have saved before. Okay, so I've already choose this screenshot here. I'm going to use the auto AI to detect the people on the screenshot, and then here you can just select the one that you want to remove. So I'm going to select this one, then you can just click on this remove button. Now the snap edit will remove the objects, and in here you can click on done at the bottom. Then you can click on save and choose this one, the free one. So you need to watch ads before you can save the image. So after the image is saved, you can just open the video again here on any video editor that you use. So I'm using CapCut, and then you can add the image as overlay here. Sorry, not that one. Let's try again to refresh the project. Okay, here I've already added the image. Here you can just adjust the size to fit with the original video. Don't forget to adjust the length like this. And now you can use masking on the overlay. Click on the overlay and find mask. Then here choose the horizontal. Okay, you can adjust it so that the position fit like this. You can now click on a check icon. If the position isn't right, you can always adjust it again. So this will be the final result. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.